first. Yeah, to steer that. Easy. Uy, bali po.
It's literally fine.
Bali po ka makasteer.
It's literally fine.
Wa man kay ka finish. On the sides. That good. I think you needed more flour, huh?
No, we don't, Mom. I literally got 2.5 cups of flour. This is 2.5. I mean, I did 1.5 first, and then I got another cup once you corrected me.
If it's too wet, you can add more flour. Use your gloves na.
Feel wet.
You
It's
can
not really wet.
yeah. Use that.
Okay. What, dude, man?
No, just use your hands. Uy,
What?
use your hands to kumot na. Mixed ba?
I'm very confusing.
Oh.
You're
Put that in there. Then you can like that. Makes it like a minute too.
But like
Yeah.
that?
Let me add more. Oh. Until it doesn't stick on your hands in there. I'm gonna add some. There's some more in the sides. Oh, I'm gonna add some. What do you call that? No, something.
What?
Oh, akong giprito nga. Nagtula ko guys, baboy. Nahumo ko guys sa tanan. Kaya akong giprito, akong gitula nga baboy. Let's add oil. Okay. Look at the sides. Oops. Get the sides too, baby.
Just let me scoop it up with the
Yeah.
thing.
Papuya tuluan bataa. Okay na. Good na. Okay, put that
Are
doon
you
na.
sure that's good? Okay.
Okay, oh. Roll. Ay, easy, uy. Murag di ka kabawang maluto. Murag di wag ka na nalubatan. Imong amahan may muluto din. Ikaw kaon na ka. Asa ka naliwat? No, I'm gonna be too thin. Don't make it too thin.
Should
Then,
make stuffed crust.
huh?
Should make stuffed crust.
Oh, maybe next time na.
Yeah, right now.
Oh, okay. Do that like that. Bali, oy!
What?
Look! Ano ba?
Oh.
Para hungaw
You're
lang.
doing it right here, so I thought only on the sides.
Not too close. Bumig. Come on na. Nicely put, uy.
It's gonna be fine.
Karapit ako mo kaon ani. Hurot ng ganyan niya. Sila isa.
It's not even right here.
Oh na, it's okay ra na.
You're gonna have to start the pizza all over again.
Ay na, it's fine. You made it your way.
Yeah. So my way is make it evenly spread
Okay.
everywhere.
Put the cheese na, bebe. Put the cheese na.
Hold on. Make double cheese. A little bit of cheese, all the cheese.
Hmm?
We're gonna make it as cheesy as possible.
I'm gonna use all of that.
Yeah.
What?
Second layer of cheese, you know?
You're using a lot of cheese na.
What do you mean, man? It's not that much.
Na, nag-beep na ako ano. Oh. Nisirap yung magkaon na aling hurot. Burrito kanin niya. Nagtutluan ako kung saan paghimo. Kaya ron sira maghimo na sunod. Pagka na lang na, oh.
Huh?
Not much left in here anymore. Just use all of that.
Okay. So it's a triple layer of cheese.
Triple layer sa makukuy. Here.
No, we don't need that part.
Come on, oy.
Okay, fine.
You're ringing na.
Onion, cheese.
Okay. Then put that in the oven. It's ready.
Put it right here.
Yeah. Then put a timer. Like 22.
Wait.
Timer, uy.
Oh, timer.
22.